So the last section in this chapter is synthesis strategies, and as the class continues, we're going to see more and more emphasis on the synthesis. And this is the diagram that we showed at the beginning, where we said that there are lots of different things that we can make with an alkyl halide. This shows that there are lots of different pathways. If we want to make these two alkenes, we can go through this path, or we could go through this path, or we could go this way. So there are lots of different ways we could go, and the different paths will provide differing amounts of the two different products. So let's look at some examples of synthesis. Provide synthesis for the following molecule, starting with the alkyl halide of your choice. Well, I'm going to start with something that looks very similar, and then I'll add and then we'll get a simple substitution reaction. This compound is a strong nucleophile and it's a weak base. This is primary, so we'll have an SN2 reaction. This is actually a better example. I think this is a little bit of a cheat because we really haven't talked very much about cyanide. If you were going to make the target molecule, which one of these would you want to start with? You can save yourself a lot of trouble by starting with the right compound. If we start with this one, we're going to want to have an E2 reaction. So let's start with a strong base. Well, our reagent, will be a strong base. If we do that, we'll get elimination. We've got a hydrogen over here and a hydrogen here. We'll get two products. And one of them will have a bond here, which we don't want. And the other one will be the product that we want. So then we'll have to isolate it. If, however, we start with the second compound and provide a reagent for elimination, we'll get only one product, which is the product that we want. There's hydrogen here, of course, and a hydrogen here, but the molecule is symmetric, so we only get one product. So this is the one you want to use.